This project is absolutely so awesome. Emma Willis, who is an incredible hair and makeup artist, had a vision of turning her storage space in her building into like a beautiful kind of showroom and space where she could actually like work with clients. There was a couple of issues that were happening here. One, the space was completely empty, so we needed to figure out all the storage solutions, but also inside her home. This is a pretty common problem with influencers who get a lot of packages constantly. She was having, packages pile up in her entryway, in the kitchen, on the landing at the top of her stairs. There was product kind of stashed everywhere because she just didn't have a great spot to keep everything all together. So what we wanted to do was make sure that we went through her whole home. We really captured all of the pain points. I didn't want her business to be impacting her personal living space. So our goal was to get all of her product, all of her tools, everything out of her living space and give it a designated home with room to grow, and also making sure that it looked really beautiful and inspiring and was a space that she would feel proud to bring her clients and actually work in. So her and her husband did a lot of the hands-on work themselves. They put up some drywall, they painted, we got the space really ready, and then we did a sort of custom configuration using mostly stuff from IKEA. All of the shelves that you see, these are the Billy bookcases with the half solid doors on the bottom because we wanted to contain or just like get rid of some of the visual clutter of maybe some of the less appealing things like tools. And by tools, of course, for her, I mean like hair dryers and flat irons and all these things that maybe aren't like as beautiful to have on display. But we did really want to create more of a shop boutique environment. So we opted to add the glass doors on the top half and then also just some open shelving to really style some of the more beautiful products and some fun little elements. So, and then we added like a white fur rug and a cute desk with a little like vanity light station, and we repurposed a lot of her existing bins just to keep a lot of her tools closer at hand. And then we brought in some artificial plants to give a little bit of pizzazz to the space, obviously, because it is like a storage space. There's no natural light, so real plants wouldn't have worked in this area. But we also created zones for her. So not only can she shop from this space, and it's also really easy now for her to receive a package and put things away, we created spaces for okay, I need to shoot an Instagram story with this product and I haven't done it yet, so now it goes in this zone. Or I have too much of this one thing and I want to do an awesome giveaway for my followers. So then we created like a giveaway zone. So now she really can use the whole space and hopefully keep her living space separate from her awesome workspace.